Hello, students. I hope you all are fine and doing your best. I welcome you all in English literature class. Students, today we are going to start lesson 8, Gunjan, the girl with guts. Dear students, have you ever heard any national award given to the brave children in your country? What are these awards called? Have you heard of Geeta Chopra Bravery Award? Who is it given to? Dear students, in our country, brave children are getting the national award. These awards are called bravery awards. Geeta Chopra is the bravery award that is given to the children, those who are doing their extraordinary things and become heroes. So today we are going to start this lesson. Firstly, I will read the lesson and side by side you have to read the lesson and underline the difficult word which you are facing to read. So let us begin. We often come across grown up people who show courage and strength when problems arise. Sometimes even small children act like adults, do extraordinary things, and become heroes. Their stories of courage inspire millions of children across the world. Meet Gunjan Sharma. So, there is a girl, Gunjan Sharma. She has got the Bravery Award and she's giving an interview, and the interviewer is asking different questions from her, and she is telling the story. She received the Geeta Chopra Bravery Award from the Prime Minister of India on the eve of Republic Day for saving lives of 10 small children. She was one of the 24 children, 8 girls and 16 boys, who were honored for their bravery and given a cash award, a medal, and a certificate. Gunjan, welcome to our show. So, the interviewer is introducing Gunjan Sharma to the audience, and he is telling that she has got the Geeta Chopra Bravery Award from the Prime Minister on the eve of Republic Day for saving the lives of the 10 children, in which 8 girls and 16 boys were there, and they were total 24 children. She has got a cash award, a medal, a certificate. So, Gunjan, you are welcome in the show. Gunjan, thank you. Interviewer, please tell us something about yourself. Gunjan, I am from Assam. My father is a businessman. I study in Kendriya Vidyalaya at Nazira. Interviewer, Gunjan, can you tell us something about the incident? Gunjan, well, at that time I was in class 8th. On the afternoon of 4th December 2013, I was traveling in a school van with 10 small children of class 2 near Nazira of Simalguri town. A man with a gun came out of a hotel and fired 2 rounds to scare away people. Then he hijacked our van at gunpoint. Interviewer, it must be very scary, Gunjan. It was indeed mean truly. The gunman forced the driver to drive through several villages. He used a boy who was only 8 as a shield. Shield means protection. Later, the driver purposely drove the van into a ditch. It is then the gunman took the boy hostage to run away. Hostage means a person held prisoner to get money or some work done. Interviewer, I hope no one was injured. Gunjan, no, we were lucky. But all the children started crying. I then asked the gunman to leave the boy and make me hostage in his place. Interviewer, very brave of you, Gunjan. Gunjan. Then the gunman left the boy and made me hostage instead and forcibly took me to the dense forest. Dense means thick forest. Interviewer, did the police not come to look for you? Gunjan, they did, but they couldn't locate me. The gunmen had put the tip of the pistol in my mouth and warned me to be quiet. So, dear students, after getting the award, Gunjan is giving an interview, and the interviewer is asking different questions from her. She is telling that she is from Assam and her father is a businessman. She studies in Kendriya Vidyalaya Tanzira. She is telling about the incident that she was in class 8th at that time when this incident happened. A man with the gun came out of a hotel and fired 2 rounds to scare away people. Scare means to frighten the people. And he hijacked the van at gunpoint. It was really very scary. Scary means frightening. It was indeed. The gunman forced the driver to drive through several villages. He used a boy as a shield and he has told the driver to take the van into a ditch. He made the boy a hostage and no one was injured in that incident. Children were crying. The gunman leave the boy and make her hostage in his place. Indeed, she was very brave girl. The gunman left the boy and made her hostage instead and forcibly take her to the dense forest. Did the police come to look for you? Interviewer asked. She said yes. They couldn't locate her because he has taken her to the dense forest and warned her to be quiet. Dear students, let's continue the lesson. But around quarter to 4 in the morning, he abandoned me. Abandoned means left. Then I walked for an hour and reached a hut near a tea estate at the Nagaland border. Interviewer: did the police come looking for you there? Gunjan: no, but the owner of the hut did inform the police. Later in the day, we walked and I reported at the police station at Bihobot near Dibrugarh. Interviewer: was the kidnapper arrested? Gunjan: yes, he was. I could make out that he was not bad at heart. He told me that he had children like me and would not harm me. I think he was badly in need of money. I pleaded with the police to be kind to him and leave him with a warning. Pleaded means requested. Interviewer: how do you feel after receiving the award? Gunjan: I am very happy because people praise me for my bravery. But I didn't do it for the award. I had to do it because the children were crying and saving their lives was the only thing on my mind at that time. Interviewer: thank you, Gunjan. You are a real hero and a role model for every child. We wish you best of everything in life. Gunjan, thank you. Dear students, now Gunjan is telling the interview that after 4 hours, the gunman left her in the forest, and from there she reached a hut near a tea estate at the Nagaland border. Then she told the interviewer that the owner of the hut informed the police and she reported at the police station at Bihobor near Dibrugarh. She told the interviewer that he was arrested. He was not a bad man by heart. He told her that he had also children like her and he was badly in need of money. She requested the police to be kind to him. The interviewer asked her that, how do you feel after receiving the award? She said that she was very happy because people were praising her for her bravery. But she told the interviewer that she didn't do it for the award. She had to do it because the children were crying and she had just saved the life of the children. The interviewer then thanked Gunjan. The interviewer told her that she was really a hero and a role model for every child. We wish you best of everything in life, the interviewer told her. Then Gunjan thank the interviewer. That's all for this lesson. Dear students, read this lesson carefully and underline the difficult words and write 5 times in the rough notebook and learn notes and the worksheet related to this lesson. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.